How to get parental control on YouTube Kids. To get parental control on YouTube Kids, follow these steps. Firstly, open YouTube Kids on your device. When you firstly install the app, you will see an interface like this. You will need to set the account for your kid, so click on Get Started. If you are new, you can even see a tutorial. If not, simply click on Skip. Now, just to make sure that you are a parent, it'll ask you some simple questions. Answer these questions to move forward. Now you can set the whole experience for your kid. Select the type of content that you want your kid to watch, which means select the age of your kid. You can even manually select the content that your kid will watch. Now there are different features available which you can use to get a full parental control. To see those features, you can simply swipe or click on Done. Now there are terms and conditions which you'll need to agree. Make sure to read them and click on I agree. Now your YouTube Kids will open. Now your kid will watch all the videos and shows that you have selected. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.